everyone. Today I'm going to teach you a special writing called cursive writing. This is my cursive writing book. Can you read what it is written? Learn how to write. And let's read its spellings. Learn. Learn. To write. 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 Now cursive writing. So spelling of cursive writing is C-U-R-S. Cursive. So I-V-E. Cursive writing. So it is same, but this will cut. T and E will cut. I will remain there, okay?
Only E will cut.
Yeah, only E will cut
And add ing.
and ing. Okay, everyone. So let's see what is in here. Wow, here's an activity. So these are all things. I have traced this one line by line. So let's see. So if you want to write both, turn to page 31. Okay, and if you don't know how many pages there is actually 32 pages. So let's see. So how to make A? You might be wondering. You cannot lift a pencil. So I'm telling you, you cannot lift a pencil. So you might be wondering now that how can we write? We have to do like this. But actually that's wrong way. Right way is to make it more beautiful than this. You have to not make it straight. You have to make it slanting, because see, it is going slanting way. Right, everyone. This I have done. Okay. So see how we have to do. To make it bigger, you have to do it slanting. See, now it's bigger now. And then lift your pencil and then start from here. See, this looks same. See, everyone. And if you like it, do clapping for me. Okay. So this is how we make A. So if you don't know how to make B, and it is already full. So here's a life hack. Just take your pencil and pretend like you are tracing it, okay? So trace it but in the air. Then you will get it, then start writing. So see. First of all, you have to start from the upside, from here. Okay, then go back, then up, then like this. And do here, but don't touch it. You have to take it inside. So this is how we make capital B. Okay. This is capital B. After this, I will teach you 2 times small ones. Okay. So capital B, to learn it, I am telling you one more time. Okay. And let's make this one good. Okay. So it will look like I have showed you how to do it right. Okay. Do you know, Mama taught me, then tuition ma'am had also teach me this. Okay, everyone. So if you have a tuition teacher which knows how to write cursive writing, my one knows how to write cursive writing, because you can easily tell this R is not how we make R. We make R like this. This is in cursive writing. Okay, everyone. I'm telling you R here. Okay. Here. Okay, everyone. So how we make R? You have to make a tiny up. Go here, make circle, straight, and then here, and then kind of like that. Okay, kind of like that. And then here's some space. I'm telling you one more time, because this is new. You have never learned how to make cursive writing. Especially for my school friends, they know how to do. But now I have also learned, because this magic book, cursive writing, I got everything in my mind. Even big ones. See, these are the big ones now. Let's make B one more time. So from here, start, okay? Then go down, down, down. Okay, then make here, touch there, but don't touch. Okay, okay everyone. Now I'm telling you in small. So it is very easy, but it is different. It is not like this. Not simple like circle and then like that. This is different. So I'm teaching you here. You have to not start from here. You have to start from downside. Then go up like this. 2 rounds and then turn. This is A. Okay, small A. I'm teaching you one more time because this is new for you all. Especially for my EuroKids friends. I go to there for JK because Mama stays in school tiny bit longer. So Mama comes to pick me up. So if Advika is seeing this video, Tej is seeing this video, Kanish, Sanvi, everyone is seeing this video. They will learn so many things from me. And already I have so many videos. First of all, I used to make videos, then stop. So let's do it one more time. Like this. Make 2 rounds. This looks like a grown-up has written, like Mama or tuition ma'am. But I have written. Even you can write words with it. Because see, this I have done myself. So after B 2 times, I'm going to teach you how to write words also. Okay. So let's start. So now B. So if you don't know how to make B, it is not even tough. It is so easy. Just like a J. But different than a J. Not like this. See. If you don't know, just trace on it. You can touch it and then, or you can do in imaginary. So you have to start from down here. Go up. Okay. Then start again. Make a loop and ta-da! So there's some space here. Okay. So I'm going to teach you. Okay. This new thing. Go up like this. And then ta-da! So I'm going to teach you how to do sentences with it. So suppose you are writing high. H-I high. So that is difficult, no? But you will have to lift your pencil because you cannot do like this, and then like that. It will be dirty, no? So see. So let's see. Is there H? Yes, this is H. I'm showing you the image. This capital. So you can trace on it like this, and then lift your pencil. Start from here. Again lift, and then okay, got it. So let's see. This one, okay. So you have to touch from here, go down and like that. Okay everyone. Then make like this. Okay. Then make a loop and like that. Okay, this is H. Now let's do I. So you can of course like go back like that, and then you can just do like that. But you can just make like imaginary line and then okay, and then make a dot. Okay, but I am showing you how to make big words like my spelling Amisha. Okay, so see how I'm doing. A M I S and then H will be normal. Okay, H and then A, Amisha. Then put dot. You cannot lift your pencil in this. Okay, if you see me lifting pencil, live cut. Okay, 1 point will be cut. So in this no lifting, and if I have to need dot, don't lift your pencil. Just keep on doing till the end, then put. Okay. those things, whichever has dot. Okay, got it everyone? So let's move on to something else. Bye. Actually it's done, so bye. Thank you. And my name is Amisha. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get more videos. Bye.